Looking to make money with NFTs in 2022? Here are 7 profitable strategies to get you started. Non-Fungible Tokens, NFTs, have gained massive popularity over the past couple of years, but what most people don't realize is that this market has been around since before crypto was even created. Collectible cards and rare digital items were being traded on gaming platforms long before Bitcoin and Ethereum were even built, but unfortunately, there are still relatively few places where you can use NFTs in real life. This video will go over some of the most profitable ways to make money with NFTs in 2022, so keep watching if you want to get started early. 1. Crypto collectibles. The digital collectibles market is heating up. Crypto collectibles, a digital asset category that combines blockchain technology and gaming, has seen massive growth in 2018 and beyond. The main reasons behind its success are ease of use, increased supply, interoperability, and more. Platforms like OpenSea have drastically increased their collections of crypto collectibles by introducing a platform through which users can tokenize real-world assets. Thus, baseball cards to sell on an open marketplace. 2. Sports IRL. If you're wondering where it's all headed, look no further than sports. Many online gambling sites offer a sports IRL category, which allows users to bet on their favorite team while watching a live sporting event. For example, Unicorn's token Unicoin Gold can be used on top of their existing platform to wager on your favorite team during an esports event. 3. Crypto celebrities. How do you make money off an influencer on a blockchain platform that lives forever, can be transferred and traded, and has scarcity baked into its DNA? It's by creating digital collectibles. And that's exactly what ERC-721 tokens have made possible. Today we look at some of these tokenized influencers from CryptoKitties to digital celebs like Deedcoin and Cryptodagon, share how you can profit from them. 4. V-commerce. V-commerce refers to a new era of e-commerce that's emerging right now as virtual goods, such as video game items, become more popular. As digital trade becomes standard practice, there will be an opportunity for merchants, from individuals and small businesses up through large corporations, to monetize their audiences through these digital goods. 5. Real estate. The next generation of video games will be defined by digital assets and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. As more developers jump on board with NFTs, gamers will want a centralized marketplace where they can exchange goods between games. This could mean new revenue opportunities for online gaming companies. Real estate is another industry that stands to benefit from using NFTs. By adding unique real-world properties into an online game, developers have a new way to create value for players and earn money from their gaming communities. 6. Property management. Best practices and lessons learned from Cryptocurrency Millionaires Club members. It's unlikely that you'll be investing directly into projects yourself, so let's look at someone who buys and sells physical assets. This could be a home or apartment building that is bought for speculation. A business that needs office space or retail floor space on long-term leases, or even short-term rent from month to month, property that a landlord, property manager currently manages and rents out in multiple cities. 7. Art and collectibles. You've likely heard that one man's trash is another man's treasure, but never has that saying been more appropriate than when it comes to blockchain-based non-fungible tokens, NFTs. These digital assets, and there are billions of them out there, are quickly becoming a new vehicle for collectors and investors alike. And, from baseball cards to rare paintings, here's how you can start earning big on art and collectibles. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when new tutorial videos are uploaded.